Right. If you love Supersmile, please give us a call. We want to hear your story, 800-395-1601. This is spectacular. This is the first and only professional dissolving teeth whitening strip set that you're looking at here. And it's our only presentation of the year. So the price is going to go up at the end of the day. Definitely pick up this professional teeth whitening kit for $79.98 or 4 easy payments of $20. We have fewer than 1,000 to go around. Our original QVC price was $120. This is $40 less for less than $80. I urge you to even think about Googling, because once you do, you're not going to be able to find a professional teeth whitening kit for less than $80. These strips dissolve on your teeth. There's no need to pull them off and ookie gookie messy, not at all. This is no fuss. This is no pain. Especially for those of you with sensitivity, no harmful bleaches. Okay, look at the screen right now, this before and after. This is wild. Absolutely love this. You've got 28 of these strips all together, 14 in each box, a 7-day treatment in each box. Absolutely pick this up. You're going to see the difference and you're going to be so happy that you picked this up. We have Dr. Lindsay Marshall joining us. She's been in the cosmetic dentist industry for over 20 years. Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
Look at your beautiful white smile. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Well, you know, if I don't have one, who's going to,
I was going
right?
to say, but also when I first started here almost 3 years ago, I got a sample as a new QVC host of this incredible Supersmile, and I have been using it ever since. I've ordered it many, many times, but I've never seen the strips before.
I know. The strips are amazing. The most innovative approach to whitening, because you can whiten anytime, anywhere. And when you have the strip in your mouth, you're not only whitening, but
Right.
you're actually reducing plaque, freshening your breath, and you can only get that from a brand like Supersmile because it's powered by our proprietary ingredient Calprox, which is the magic of Supersmile. Why you get results with no sensitivity,
Sure.
no discomfort, no harsh bleaching agents.
Right.
And you get the results of upwards of an 8-shade difference in 7 days.
That is fantastic. A week and you're going to be able to see the amazing difference. So I'm just curious. So you put it on your teeth and it just simply dissolves.
It does. And that's why you can do it anytime, anywhere, and why it's more effective. So if you've done any home whitening before, you may have messy trays, you may have strips. The strips don't dissolve, they don't adhere to your teeth, so they move around, they slosh. So you can imagine you would get sensitivity because it's distributing the whitening places you don't want it, like up on your gums and things like that. But it also causes the sensitivity of your gums. Oof. But when it dissolves onto your teeth, then you're distributing that whitening right to where you want it on your teeth. Oh,
definitely. I had a horrible time with strips of the past that really hurt my gums so bad. In fact, I was at the gym one time and I had these strips on and I coughed a little bit. And before I knew it, yes, but I had a spot on my shirt that completely bleached my clothes.
Yep. And you think about that, how harsh is that bleaching agent if it's bleaching your clothes?
Yes.
I mean, yes, we want results, but we want it to be healthy. We don't want to have sensitivity. And that's what you always get with Supersmile. And again, it's because of our proprietary ingredient, because of the Calprox. And these are so easy to use. All you're going to do is open the strip up. You're going to take it out, dry hands, wet teeth, and then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to apply that to your teeth. So you can see what she's doing here. You're just going to apply it.
Gotcha. To your teeth.
To your upper teeth.
Okay.
And then it's going to adhere. You're going to feel it start to immediately dissolve. And you're going to, because it's powered by the Calprox, Calprox is an encapsulated calcium peroxide that breaks down that protein layer that forms on your teeth. And that protein layer is food and bacteria that stain actually adheres to. So when it's dissolving that, as you can imagine, it's going to improve the color of your teeth because it's removing what the stain is adhering to, but then it's improving the overall health of your teeth and gums. And again, because this is created by a dentist for his patients, it's always doing something more for your teeth. We're not just going to whiten, but it's actually going to be a healthcare product, you know, where you're reducing that plaque and improving the freshness of your breath.
Just wonderful. 4 easy payments of $20. Less than $80 here. This is absolutely spectacular. Look at these before and afters. Let's talk about this. This is amazing. Is this after one treatment?
No, this is
Or after
this,
a 7-day
this
treatment?
This is after the 7 days. And this is actually one of my patients. He's a busy doctor, never has time to whiten because, you know, who needs added steps
Sure.
or doctor's visits? So you know what he does? He pops them on when he gets on his Zoom calls at night.
Oh, definitely.
Because you can talk. I have one in right now. You can
yeah.
talk. Nothing looks funny. Nothing feels funny. And it just dissolves. And then look at those results. This patient actually had a lot of sensitivity. She had shied away from doing whitening for years because she's like, my teeth are just too sensitive. I can't whiten.
Yeah.
And what's great is you will never get sensitivity from Supersmile products because there are no harsh bleaching agents. This is a clean beauty product. And all it's doing is gently dissolving that protein layer, lifting that stain off the teeth,
Right.
and actually making the surfaces nice and smooth so they don't, because it's not etching or scratching away,
Yes.
it's not causing a rough surface for the stain to adhere to more.
Perfect. So we have fewer than 900 now to go around. You're getting 28 altogether, so 14 in each box. One box is a 7-day treatment. We're going to do this twice a day. Yes? Morning and night?
You're going to do it once a day, but you have 14 strips, so you can do top and bottom.
Oh, of course. Yes,
Exactly.
we have two.
So you
We
can
have two. Yes.
But you can do top and bottom. Sometimes people just focus on the top. They feel like they see the top a little bit more,
Sure.
so then you can do the 14 days. And what I love is you're getting 2 boxes.
Okay.
So for me, you know, I'm someone who has done whitening over the years, so I'm using them more as a maintenance.
Right.
So I can use them kind of anytime, anywhere, on the go. I'm like, oh, I just need to zhuzh it up a little bit.
Sure.
Other people, if you want that boost, you want that 8-shade difference, then you're going to do the 7 days in a row. But then you still have this box to touch up over
Great.
time.
Oh, amazing.
And you can continue to eat and drink anything you want.
Yes.
Because you'll still have your touch up.
This is awesome because, I mean, what happens when we have a nice, big, bright, white smile? Our confidence boosts. That's an amazing, wonderful feeling to have that nice, big, white smile. I mean, if you've ever told someone, my goodness, your teeth are so white, why don't you be that person? You have those wonderful white teeth. Nice and beautiful. Absolutely want to pick this one up. This is wild. And it's our final presentation of the year. This price goes up at the end of the day. There's also no auto delivery on this one. So this is something that you certainly want to pick up because you are going to see a difference, and lots of customers picking up more than one right now, which is so fantastic. I'd love if you could just walk us through again the sort of how-to on this.
Absolutely. So I already put one in, so
Okay.
I can't put it in again, but you can see I'm talking, I'm functioning, I can go about my
Oh, I'll
daily
put
business.
one in.
But all you're going to do is open the package up. You want to
Okay.
have dry hands because the minute they get wet, they're going to start to dissolve. You're just going to make sure your teeth are nice and wet. Go ahead, adhere that to your upper teeth. Sort of use your tongue to wet that across
Sure,
the top,
sure.
and then that's going to activate that Calprox. And in about 10 to 15 minutes, it's going to dissolve. I feel like it's a little less than that. I mean,
Okay.
I feel like this is almost gone on my teeth.
can't even see it on your
Yeah,
teeth.
and I've had it on for a couple minutes. And what I love is we're giving you the shade guide so you can see where you start, where you end, because I feel like my patients always kind of forget where they started. And they're like, I don't know, am I white enough? And I'm like,
Is
oh,
there
you
a
can never
front
be
and
white
back?
enough. There is no front and back. You can do it any which way you want. And again, you're getting 14 strips. So that's 7 days of whitening if you're doing top and bottom teeth. Sometimes people just do top teeth, just do bottom teeth. You can use them as more of a touch-up system, or you can use it for that big boost. And see how easy that is to do? You just apply it like you did with your tongue. You just kind of wipe it across. But then it's going to dissolve. So go in your car and start driving to work or go off to your event. And it's so nice because, I don't know, I'm kind of busy, got teenage kids, I work, so sometimes I just forget and I'm like, oh, I forgot to wait.
Totally.
But I love these because throw a couple in your bag, throw a couple in your gym bag, your work bag, have one at work. So whenever you're like, oh, I just wish I had done that. I'm, meeting up with someone after work, or, I have that first date or job interview. Pop that in. All you need is 10 minutes on the way, so you can kind of never forget.
Absolutely. And what you're seeing right here is all of these amazing stats, if you will, right?
Exactly.
Of how perfect this is.
Exactly. 100% said they dissolved easily. They enjoyed the taste, which if you have done any home whitening, you know it does not taste good. And they agreed they got whiter teeth, 96%. And it was very convenient, which of course it is.
Goodness.
Anytime, anywhere you can use them.
$79.98. I'm talking to you right now. I'm not like, I don't have anything happening right there, which is so easy. 4 easy payments of $20, 14 in each box, 28 altogether. 2025, let's all start this year off right with a nice big bright smile, right?
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, it was so good to see you, Doctor.
Great
Thank you
to
so
see
much for
you.
joining us. This is awesome. We have a little white teeth here happening right now. I love that.